I'm going to show you how to create this poster design using your favorite celebrity. So I'll start off by going to File, New, A4, Portrait, White background, and then Create. Okay, so I'm going to import the file, go to Place Embedded. Here's my Taylor Swift file, place it, click and drag, double click inside or hit the enter button to place it. Okay, so now we want to remove the background. So click and hold the polygonal lasso tool and one click here. And the thing about the polygonal lasso tool is that it only does straight lines. So if you hit a curve or a corner, then you need to click. I'm just going to do a rough selection here. Make sure you go all the way around. And then what you can do is just simply go across, one click here, and then join it. Can you see the circle there? Circle, no circle, circle, click, and then the selection is live. So you just right click inside, select inverse, hit the backspace. If it says this, could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. That's okay. Right click onto the layer, rasterize layer, backspace, boom, done. And then Command D to remove the background. And I missed a slight tiny bit here. Let's get the razor tool. You can smooth it out. With the smudge tool, so increase the size. I'm hitting the right bracket key, so just smoothing it out. Okay, she's got some sharp edges there, but that's fine. Okay, Command minus, and I missed a bit out here. That's fine. If I just click and hold the quick selection tool, backspace, done. Command D. Let's click onto a new layer. Gradient, I've got red and white here. So if I click from top to bottom, or bottom to top, there you go. Click and drag this. There's Taylor Swift. Move it to the left. Okay, let's get some text on it. Press T as a shortcut. One click. We want impact. Okay. Taylor, there you go. Command T, increase the size. Double click inside, click and drag it below that layer. Now we want to do the writing across here. So T again, we want to go for the Edwardian script. I want to call it Swift. Command T, increase the size. we want the curly brackets like that. Place it and click and drag it right to the top. And then for Taylor Swift here, double click onto the layer, drop shadow, a subtle drop shadow there. Okay, go to Swift, double click, can have one of those. There you go. A stroke, opacity, Swift. Oh, let's just fill it right out. See how it looks. Much better. There you have it. And that's the end result. So thank you for watching this video, how to create a poster design using Photoshop.